subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So in this video we are going to learn how to do get calls in Angular. So let me create one component by using the command ngc component/product. This will create the product component. Now we will check what APIs we are going to use. So we will be using fetchdata.com, and if you click on the read of the docs, you can see read doc. You can see the API link URL. So I'm simply copy pasting this URL. Now let's go to the code. As you can see, our products component is there. Now let's do some more things with that. Let me create app routing.module.ts, and here we'll simply give the path as blank, and component at which we want to load is product component. So by default this product component will get loaded when we run our Angular application. Let me remove this default HTML and let me replace it with router HTML. Router. So as you can see, products works is written there. That means our product component is getting loaded on default. Let me create one h1 that will have the name product list. So now as you can see, we have product list as h1. So we will be doing getcall to fetch all the products from the API that we have seen right now on this. So let me import http module from angular common /http, and let me write http module and simply copy paste and inside the import. Now save the changes. Let's go and create one new service. So I'm writing nggs common. So our service name will be common. So this will create a service file, and let's go to environment, and here we'll create one base URL, and we'll simply copy paste this URL there as our base URL. Yeah. So we have done the environment setup also with our base URL, and our common service has been created right now. So let me import that first. That is httpclient, and let me write constructor public http:/httpclient. Now let me write a base URL as a variable, and we will be using environment for that. So simply write environment. Now base URL will be environment.base URL, as we have already given base URL in the environment file. So now let me create one function that is get all products, and this will return http.get, and we will pass the base URL by using this.base URL. Now let's go to the product component, and in product component we will create one function that is fetch all products, and we will do the dependency injection of that service, that is common service. So this is how we can do that. Now this .serve .get all products .subscribe, and data of any type. Let's simply write console.log data. Let's save the changes and check the changes in the inspect mode. On reload, as is, it will take some time. Let me check that. Yeah, I just forgot to add the functions and unit. So as you can see, we have the data with ID, image, price, rating, and the title. So this is the product APIs, which is giving us the array of the products which are available. So let me create one wrapper and a cards div. So let me write ng4 directive first, and let me create one variable that is products of type any, but it should be an array, and let me assign this data to this products. Now let's go to the HTML and change the item of products. Now we'll simply write C, and here we will in double curly braces we will simply call the item.title, that is the title of the product. Let me call all this, as this compilation will take some time. Here, let me check if the products, yeah, it is working fine. So now let me do some other things. Let's create one image, and for the SRC we will pass item.image, and then we will create a strong tag. Inside we will add item.price, that is the price of that product, and inside the p tag, that is paragraph tag, we will pass the description. Let me create some changes for this. Wrapper having display flex, justify center, or we can write let's wrap and justify. First of all we will create the cars of it, so let's hide the auto, and I want to restrict the height of the car, and the minimum height should be 250 pixels, and width as 25%, and value as 15 pixel, and the margin as 10 pixel. Let's save the changes, and let me enter justify content, flex start. So as you can see, we have all these things coming with the image. As the image are weak, we'll add some changes for the image. So let's fix height be, instead of 80, it will be 90, width should be 90, border radius should be 50%, and the object should scale down, that is scale down the image, and then we'll write the b tag as texturize center. Then we have one more tag, that is color B, to was sky. Save the changes. Once the product will get loaded, yeah, as you can see the product is loading right now. For like better understanding, let me create more CSS of else getting it's going in the column. I don't want that. Let's try that and work. I don't want to do that. This. We just wanted to use the rows as we had earlier. Let me add the border to 12 pixels for it to come. Random value. We can check the border pixel. Where it is 3 pixels. As you can see, we have this product cards coming. Now display flex direction as column. Now it's in the column, and justify to the center, then align the center, one to the align the center, and align the center. Let's save the changes. As you can see, they are center aligned right now. So if I see the border box header, this is how it looks like. Let me add a currency filter here, and let the price should be in the USD dollar. So as you can see, a dollar will be written in front of the price. Now let's get the control.html. Let me remove this console.log. Now save the changes. As you can see, we have already fetched all the data from the API, that is the big API we have used. We can select, this is how we can do the activity call in Angular.